Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisset. For today's video, I'm really excited because I'm gonna be unboxing IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. So here's my box, and then when you open it, you get the little foaming thingy to protect all your goodies. Okay, so the first thing I get here is the card, and oh wait, okay, I don't know why they're doing this, but you can see here the products that you got, so you have to go to the app to check out and learn more about the product and how much it's worth and all that. But here are some tips that you could use for how to use SPF. And then it tells you, the day that you get to choose the product, which is, I believe, June 24th. Okay, and the theme is Make Waves. Okay, so here's the bag. Oh my god, super cute bag. It gives you that beach pool vibe, so it's really cute. It's green and it has a bunch of different womens, and then you get the little inside the logo of IPSY, and then the yellow, and then yeah, right here is the logo also. So this is super cute and gives me such a summer vibe, and hopefully all the beaches and pools can be open so you guys can enjoy the summer. And the kids as well, they need that. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking out the product. I'm gonna open the app and then show you guys, read you a little bit about the product and the price of each of these products. Okay, so the first thing I got here, it's a beauty sponge. Oh my god, yes, I need these. So this is from Huda Beauty, the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. Yeah, I'm excited for this. I'm sorry guys. Okay, so let me read a little bit about this. Let me open it, and then it says that the full size value of this is $17. And then it says no makeup bag is complete without the sponge. It's versatile, easy to use, and totally streak proof. Sponges are ideal for makeup noobs and seasoned pros alike. Okay, so I'm not gonna be trying out these products today. I'll probably be trying on other videos and let you guys know, and hopefully you guys can get the idea of these products. However, I'm just showing you the unboxing of them and telling you a little bit about what I read from there, and then the price. Okay, the next thing I see here from Gigi Gorgeous. I believe this is a collaboration that IPSY did with this influencer called Gigi, and they did a bunch of different things. I think they did blushes, highlighters, palettes, brushes. So, but I never received any of it, so this is cool to receiving this. And this is called the Only Blush Duo. And then it just says authentic and pride, okay, but it doesn't say the colors, so I'm just gonna open this. Okay, this packaging, so hard. You guys must laugh at me with this videos, like trying to open the package. But yeah, seriously, I don't know why they, okay, here we go, why they close this so hard. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I like the packaging. It's white and it's really soft. However, it can get dirty easily. But the inside, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's a cute compact. It comes with a mirror, and then these are the two shades. So I think, okay, so one is matte and the other one is like a little shimmer, a shimmer blush. So you get the pink shimmer and then the kind of peach matte. So, okay, this is one, and then, so it's really light. I'm not sure if you can see it on my fingers, but yeah. So you get that. Let me see the price of this and read a little bit about it. Okay, so the full size price of this is $24, and then says swirl a blush brush into the pan, tap off excess, and dust this blush into the apples of your cheeks, building for intensity. Use each shade alone or mixed together for a blush tailored to you. Says this beautiful blush duo is part of an exciting limited edition collab with YouTuber personality, author, and activist Gigi Gorgeous. And it says authentic is a warm peachy coral shade with a matte finish. while Pride is a pink pearlescent shade with shimmery gold fleets. Okay, so those are the tones. It's Authentic and Pride. That's the name of the blushes. Sorry guys, I have like something on my throat. Okay, so next thing I got here. Ooh, okay, I'm excited for this. This is an eyeliner from the brand Araceli, and I have tried their eyeliners before and I really like it. And this one is brown, which is called Coffee Cafe, and it's Ojo Perfecto's liquid eyeliner. Okay, and this is a long tip, so it's perfect for the wing line. And then, ooh, it's super nice. As you can see here, it's really pigmented. I like that it's brown. First time that I get an eyeliner that's not, you know, black. I already put in my profile that I wanted different colors because I want to try different things. So, thumbs up for that, IPSY. Next, oh wait, let me read. I hate that I have to go back to the app to read you because I didn't have, you know, in the card. Let me see quickly. That's what happens, like it takes time to go back, but okay, so it's $16. This is the price, and it is a felt tip like I mentioned. Yeah, okay, next product. Oh, okay, it's from Dr. Brand. This is a luminizer primer. It's a pores no more. Oh, it's a primer. It gives a natural looking backlight glow, revives dew complexion, helps refine the look of pores. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm so excited to try this. Okay. Oh my gosh, the packaging is really cute. I love this blue. I love this. And then yeah, is it closed? Okay, no, it doesn't have a cap, so I could show you guys. Okay, so it's like a skin. It's kind of like the skin, and then it dissolves. Oh, it kind of has like a little shimmer. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it kind of has like a little shimmer. And it has like a scent. Like if you're wearing soft perfume. So that's nice. Yeah, wow. This is so cool. I actually love Dr. Brand. I've tried different skincare products from that brand and I love it. They are amazing. Okay, let me go back and check the price really quick. Okay, so it's $38. Wow. So I'm happy I got that. And next thing and final thing I have here is a sunscreen from the brand Tula Skincare. And this is a probiotic skincare protect and glow daily sunscreen gel broad spectrum SPF 30. Okay, so this is it. And then, okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay. Ooh, feels nice. It gives you kind of like a glow. Wow. Kind of looks like a highlighter. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, wow. This is great. Oh my gosh. You know, it's important to put sunscreen even if you're not going outside because it protects you from the UV lights from your phone, your computer, all sort of those things. So let me read what it says here. Okay, feed your skin the good stuff is formulated without parabens, mineral oil and petroleum, SPLs, dairy, gluten, fragrance. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm excited for this sunscreen. I actually love Tula as well. I have a cleanser from that brand and it's amazing. It's incredible. Okay, it has like some sort of smell like sunscreen, but it's not that bad. And then it says that the full size is $36. So I'm happy I received that. Then let me see, it says, apply an even generous layer of this sunscreen to your face every single day, rain or shine. Okay, so yes, I'm super excited to try out all these products. I only pay $25 for the subscription, which it comes 5 full-size products, but look at all the goodies that you get. And yes, I'm excited to try everything in other future videos and let you guys know how it went. But feel free to comment or ask me personally. You can also go to my Instagram, follow me at Lismania Beauty. And yes, also I have a giveaway going on my Instagram, so feel free to go check it out. It ends on June 20. So yes, and yes, thank you very much. Thank you for watching me. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.